That's the Civic. We've done a hell of a lot of work over the last couple of days. Everything underneath, we've bolt checked the whole chassis, which is something you need to do on a new build. So all of the camber's set up, and now the wheels are out and the arch is a lot better. All we've got to do now is do the toe. So we need to put all the alignment kit on. But before we put all of the alignment kit on, start doing the toe, we need to swap out the standard steering wheel because we're putting an aftermarket on it. Because obviously we don't want to align everything and then find that the boss, that for the new steering wheel is like half a spline difference, so then the steering wheel will be out. Even though the alignment's straight, the steering wheel isn't going to be right. So we want to do that first so we get everything absolutely perfect. We're inside the Civic. So yeah, just buzz the steering wheel off, so it's just one bolt in the middle. Take that off. And as I thought, there's about half a spline out. So that's the steering wheel on. I'll just show you quickly. That's what I mean. See, the original steering wheel is bang on straight. I haven't moved anything. And now this, I don't know if you can see on camera, is just slightly to the right. So yeah, it's a good thing we've done that, so we can get the steering absolutely bob on before we do the aligning. Yeah, we'll lock all that off and yeah, get all the string kit set up. There is sports fans. The alignment kit is on. All the rally teams still use this just because string doesn't lie. Whereas like laser kits and stuff, if you drop it or it's not sat properly, you're not going to get a good reading. The alignment is all done. Fitment is absolutely on point. Tell me that is not how to EK9. So everything's torque sealed, everything's been checked, everything on the underside, all of the alignment, absolutely everything is done, and hey presto. So now we move on to the fun stuff. Is it fun? Got to do all the interior. See? Getting all the inside prepped, so we need to clean all of these panels. This is what we're dealing with. So this is a before, and this is an after. So plenty of elbow grease, some nice hot soapy water, and we'll get it all up like new before we put it in. Then need to prep the inside of the car, because the inside of the car's got that much dust in as well, just like all the panels. I've taken all the seats back out, taken everything out, ready to obviously give it a good clean down. I think we all agree that is a bit better. Lovely stuff. Now let's start putting bits in. Do you guys want to know what's really lucky? Having a spare Honda to rip parts off of. There's specific bolts for the seat belts that are missing. And you will not get those unless you get them secondhand. These are really strange thread and strange size. Sure, that's it's locked. Nobody getting in there. Yeah, we're doing big bits now, and interiors. So you've got to feed it behind the seat belt, and then this wraps around that door piece. So what I learnt on the other side was to give it loads of slack, because Nathan won't help, which is really good. Everything you see now has come with the car. That whole panel there is missing, which I've ordered. The bits that go around the door handles, there's one of those missing as well, so I've got one of those coming. Handbrake surround, that's the worst thing, because they're EK9 specific, because they're like slimlined and they don't have an ashtray in. So that's this panel that comes from here and then goes like that. Yeah, this is a carpet. Also notice the backs of these seats don't look very nice at the moment, but that's because we need a boot carpet, which we've ordered. The reason I'm telling you is because that's not just a boot carpet, it goes up the backs of the seats as well. Cool. We are fighting along now, carpet's in, one seat's in. We'll put the other seat in shortly, but I want to do all the center console and stuff first, so it just gives me a bit more room to get in amongst that. Whoa, we've missed something. Should I start it? Have you seen it says Grady on the side? Let's give it a little rev, it's cold. Sounds like a B series. Woo! Unbelievable. quick look around the car, we have done a lot of interior. All the door cards are on, and aside from all the carbon, the Type R Honda carbon, there's now real carbon. And guess what we've got? We've got the handbrake surround, so we can put that in as well. See, on the outside it is all complete. Unbelievable. The inside is done. And look at this carbon center console. Unbelievable. New steering wheel in there, personal, all the carpets, seats, absolutely everything, all the panels, everything is here. But one thing that's not here is the boot carpet. So that's annoying. Something else we've done as well, upgraded sound system, because if you know Jap cars, that's not very good. So yeah, just need that boot carpet. Got all the little clips and bits I needed, and we're ready to go. Hi everybody, join me and passenger Princess Nathan over here. We're off to collect the Civic, get it back to unit. We haven't road tested it yet because the weather's been absolutely torrential. Everywhere's like flooded around here, so we haven't even got out on the road and tested it properly. So we'll get it back to the Dream Car Giveaways headquarters